is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to fill your eyebrows. I'll just do one eyebrow so that you can spot the difference between the two. Okay, so let's get started. So these are the kind of brushes that you need. You don't need all four of them. This is just my collection, so I'll just take you through them. So first thing is, you need a brush like this, something to brush your eyebrows. It is called a spiral brush or spoolie, whatever you want to call it. So now the next thing that you need are these small angular brushes. So this one is from Pack. The number is 3141. This is really good. Another great brush which I absolutely love is from Sigma. So this one is E65. You can find this at Nykaa. Even Pack brushes are available at Nykaa. And then I have this brush which has, like, one side is this spoolie and the other side is this angular brush. And the product that I'll be using today in this video is this. It's from the brand called Benefit. It's an eyebrow pomade. So these are basically this is a cream product. This is how it looks, and it comes with a very cute angular brush. First thing is obviously to brush. So usually I used to brush my eyebrow upward and then start filling it in. But later on, I saw in a lot of makeup videos what these international artists were doing was they were brushing it downwards like this. So now you can actually see the shape of your eyebrows and then start filling it in. So I keep it very natural. I don't take my eyebrows, like, I don't create different outline. I just go with the same outline as my eyebrow and just keep filling it in. So I'm taking a little product in this angular brush. Always start your eyebrows from somewhere here, from the middle, because we have too much product right now on our brush, so we don't want that coming here suddenly. And this front part should not be very dark. It should be left very natural. So this is what I'm doing, just small strokes. One thing you have to remember is small strokes and keep your hands very light. If you have very thin eyebrows and you want to draw like an outline, you can do that. But as I said, I just go with the shape of my own eyebrows and just keep filling it in. I am now filling this part. I haven't touched the front part of my eyebrow yet. Here, you just fill this. Okay, I need to look into the mirror. Because of quarantine, my eyebrow is really not shaped right now, but I am trying my level best to make it look much neater. Like this. Okay, I'm taking a brush now and brushing everything. I am just taking my brush and there's already some product left over. Just going along with the shape of the eyebrows. And these front hair, I will hold the brush like this now and just brush them upward. Just the front part. I like to keep the front of my eyebrows very natural and I don't fill it. It otherwise looks like a box, which looks very bad. Now, if you want to make it a little more neater, then one thing that you can do is take like a thin concealer brush like this. Just put a little concealer on the brush. Now we'll just put the concealer under the eyebrows here. And a little bit of concealer here. So guys, I'm sure you can see the difference between the two eyebrows, and look how neat and shaped this side of the face looks compared to this. So that is why I do my eyebrows every day, but of course I don't make it so thick and I don't use an eyebrow pomade every time. I use this because then it gives me a more natural look when you use powder form or any kind of eyeshadow. Now let me quickly do the other side and come back. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and I'll be coming with more videos very soon. In fact, if you want to interact with me even more, then come on Insta. I am very active there. I post stories every day, or you'll see new pictures of my work on my feed, or at times I come live. So yeah, catch me there. I'll see you guys. Bye.